Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you need emergency money or you can't sleep at night because you're worrying about your bills or you're having car trouble and you need to get your car fixed and you can't borrow money from nobody, well, I'm going to show you 10 places where you can actually borrow money without them actually looking at your credit. And many of these don't charge an overdraft fee. All right. So the first one we're talking about is Bridget. All right. So with Bridget, the situation with Bridget is that they loan up to from $50 up to $250. However, they do have a monthly fee of $9.99 a month when you sign up. But hey, if you're in a pinch and you need some money right away and you can actually get it right on your phone, then this is definitely one of those places you want to take a look at. Now, here's the thing about it when signing up. Download the app. Also, paid subscription. They let you know it's a paid subscription. But here's the thing about it. Active for at least 60 days. Have a balance of above zero. Have 3 reoccurring deposits from the same source. So they want to tap into your bank account to make sure you have revenue coming in. Okay, but this is definitely one of those places you want to go. Second one, many people are using Chime, but many people probably don't know that actually Chime will let you borrow up to $200 with no credit check. So you can overdraft your account up to $200 and they don't charge you a fee for doing the overdraft. So again, it's an easy way for you to get a couple $100. Like I said, you may need to pay a light bill right quick, or you need to get some food on the table. Your child may need some money for a field trip or something like that. This is one of those lenders you can tap in right on your phone right away. The next one is Dave. Now with Dave, they offer loans up to $500. Now the interesting thing about Dave, they have a couple subscription plans. One is $199. It goes up to $13.99. But the thing about it, hey, there's no credit check. So if you worried about paying your rent on time, bills, gas, things of that nature, you need about $500 right away, then this is definitely one of those apps you want to check out. All right? Because a lot of people, again, you can't go to friends and family and say, hey, can you loan me $100 or can you loan me $200-300 until I get paid? All right, because they may not be in a financial position to help you. So it's apps like these that are able to help you. The next one is Clover. Now, the interesting thing about Clover, they offer up to $200 on the app as well. All right, and so here's the thing about it. You can sign up in seconds with your name, email, and phone number. All right, you connect your account. You have to connect your bank account. So I'm going to tell you this. Many of these companies, they will give you the money. They'll give you the money right away, but you have to have an active bank account. All right, so just keep that in mind. So Clover is another one. The next one is MoneyLion. Now with MoneyLion, they definitely will help you get money up to $500. That's the best thing about it. Again, look at this. No interest, no credit check, no mandatory fees. This is the type of apps you want to use, especially when you're in a pinch, you're in an emergency, and you need money right away. You definitely. Now, also, I'm going to tell you about some of these here lenders as well. You can actually be self-employed, but as long as you have an active bank account, they would actually loan you money. It's earning. Now, here's the thing about earning. You can get anywhere from $100 up to $750 per pay period. All right, so that's the reason it says $100 per day. All right, but you can get up to $750 per pay period. Again, like I said, there's no credit check. You don't have to worry about the late fees. So this is why you want to use something like this to be able to get some money. Like I said, your car may be broke down side of the road. You may have had a flat tire. You need to buy a tire for your car. Something that you know that, hey, I need to get some money right away so I can pay this here bill or buy this here tire so I can get myself back and forth to work. Call it Ulet. Now, here's the thing about it with Ulet, all right? They offer cash advance loans for people in the gig economy. But the interesting thing about it, they're not they don't have a maximum of the amount of money they're willing to loan you. Okay, but as you can see here, the different platforms that they work with where you can actually borrow money. Now, one of the things, to my understanding, you may have to be invited in order to get on this here platform. But again, they offer you higher dollar limits. And like I said, some of the lenders that I'm going to tell you about, they loan up to $10,000 with no credit check. So that's what you want to do, to be able to have a lender that's not going to look at your credit. They're just looking at the income that's coming into your active checking account to be able to loan you money. Now, here's another cash advance. This is Inpower, all right? And so the cash advance for them is from $10 up to $250. And again, no interest, no late fees, no credit check. That's the thing about it. Now, can you have multiple type of loans like this? I don't see where it says no restrictions of that. So you may have to go to like a Dave or Earning to get about a $250 or $100 or something. Then go to another place like this and borrow another $150 or something. But again, just letting you know, there's no credit check, and it does not say you cannot have multiple loans. Some lenders may, but it's not there as I know. Now, it's still talking to the gig economy people. Again, here is Lindsaya, okay? And so here's the situation with Lindsaya going back, is that with Lindsaya, they loan up to $5,000 on a cash advance. $5,000. And the good thing about it, low credit scores won't impact. So it has nothing to do with your credit. Nothing to do with your credit. Now, one of the things, again, I continue to tell you guys, if you're operating in the gig economy and you are having deposits going into your personal checking account, you seriously need to restructure yourself as an actual business so that you'll be able to get access to more capital, because there's a lot of companies that go just off of the business activity without looking at the credit, and you can go beyond $5,000. I'm talking about $10,000, $15,000, up to $100,000 in funding just off of the business deposits without you actually looking at the credit. So that's the reason I continue to tell you guys, you really need to structure yourself if you're in the gig economy. Now, the next one is Giggle Finance. Now, again, like I said, with Giggle Finance, they're helping people with no credit requirements. As you can see, $5,000. Now, here's one thing I would tell you, like with Lindsaya and Giggle Finance and this other lender that loans up to $10,000. Usually they want you to have an open bank account with revenue deposits for at least 90 days. All right, and so the minimum deposit they usually want you to have is anywhere from $1,000 to at least $1,500 a month. So they don't expect for you to have a whole bunch of money coming in, but they need you to make sure that you have an active account that has good revenue coming in. All right, but the good part about it, like I said, it's a gig economy. Uber, Lyft, as you can see, truckers, taxi, salon, beauty. So even if you are like a cutting hair or something like that, or washing dogs, hey, this is a place for you to borrow up to $5,000. It's Fundo. Now, Fundo is a merchant cash advance, but here's the thing about it. No credit check, $10,000. $10,000 within hours. These are apps that are on your phone. You connect your bank account. As a matter of fact, let me show you what I mean. All right, so with Fundo, as you can see here, they want you to connect your bank account so they can use Plaid or with Decision Logic. And so what that's going to do, that's going to verify there's deposits going on in your checking account. Once they verify there's actual deposits going on in your checking account and stuff, then they know, okay, you're a client that we can work with. Now, also keep in mind, with some of these lenders, they're not in all 50 states. So just keep that in mind. But the minimum revenue for Fundo, as you can see, is $1,500. And like I said, at least 90 days, 3 months. All right. Now, for those of you that are having challenges removing negative items off of the credit so your credit can go up, or you're trying to get access to more business credit funding, personal credit funding, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.